children of today make the India of tomorrow. I take this wonderful opportunity on behalf of our respected Principal Vandana ma'am, our respected Dean of Academics Charulata ma'am, and all the teachers of NPS ITPL to wish you a happy Children's Day. Let's begin our celebration with wishes from our respected Principal ma'am, Mrs. Vandana Sanjay. Thank you, Principal ma'am. Children, we teachers have planned a great show for you on this special occasion. Let's start with a wonderful dance program by our teachers for you all.
Everybody, सुन जरा चलो करें कुछ मजा थोड़ी शरारत कुछ शैतानी काम कोई गड़बड़ का मेरे बड़ी सुन जरा चलो करें कुछ मजा थोड़ी शरारत कुछ शैतानी काम कोई गड़बड़ का Ain't nobody does it better no 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 ain't nobody does it better ain't nobody does it better no 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 ain't nobody does it better
छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आंख दिखाना रे टुपी टुपी टप टप टुपी टुपी टप टप अकल का कच्चा समझ के हमको ना समझाना रे टुपी टुपी टप टप टुपी टुपी टप टप भोली सूरत जान के हमसे ना टकराना रे टुपी टुपी टप टप टुपी टुपी टप टप ना दिन नाच नचा देंगे छोटा बच्चा जान के ना कोई आंख दिखाना रे टुपी टुपी टप टप टुपी टुपी टप टप अकल का कच्चा समझ के हमको ना समझाना रे टुपी टुपी टप टप टुपी टुपी टप टप
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा
Well, that's all we got. A great show, isn't it? Hope you all liked it. Now, our respected Dean of Academics, Charulata ma'am, will be addressing us on this special occasion.
The cool breeze during summer, the colorful rainbow when it rains, the warmth of the winter hearth. Your innocence and exuberance is what keeps the adults going. You are the greatest resource of the nation. Use your potential to the fullest, dear children. Have a happy Children's Day.
Thank you, Dean ma'am, for those lovely words. It is now time for you all to witness something unique. I'm sure you all know all your teachers, right? As you all know, we too were kids just like you. But I'm sure you don't know how we used to look back then, do you? Well, here's a quiz show with pictures of teachers from their childhood. Let's see how good or how well you can guess.
Let's begin with a fun session of you children being asked to identify your dear teachers from their photographs. But from these photographs, in fact, from their childhood. So let's find out how will you think your dear teachers look when they are children? So let's see. Who is this?
Vandana
That is a big chorus answer from everyone. It's our dear Vandana ma'am. Who is this? Sweet, cute, and bubbly smiling. Any guesses?
Anuradha ma'am.
Okay, let's see. Yay, that's Anuradha ma'am. So sweet. Okay, let's move to our next favorite dear teacher. Who is this?
This is something difficult to identify.
Christina ma'am.
Christina ma'am.
Okay,
Ramya ma'am.
tough
Christina
guesses.
ma'am.
Okay, let's see. Is it our Christina ma'am? Yes, that's
Yes.
correct.
Yes.
Okay, let's move to a third dear teacher. Who is this cute looking somewhere? Call it. That's the chorus answer. Yes, that's a Lydia ma'am. With all
This is-
tech savvy.
Too tough to identify, okay, to be very honest.
No, you can tell by her eyes.
Yes, it's very.
Okay, so let's move to our next dear teacher. Who is this?
Teja ma'am, I guess.
Let's see.
No, Lydia ma'am is over. I mean,
Any guesses?
I think it's a little bit of a challenge with the picture, so not easy to find out.
Ramya ma'am? Is it Ramya ma'am?
No. Padma ma'am.
So let's see who's that.
Rafu ma'am.
Oh,
Babita ma'am.
Babita ma'am.
Okay, this is our Babita ma'am.
Okay.
That was a real tough guess. Let's move to our next dear teacher. Who is this? With two
Joini ma'am.
That's really wonderful. Bijoyini ma'am.
exactly how she looked like a kid, you know. She's the same face now.
Okay, so we have more to come. Let's see the next. Who is this? A dancer. So pretty.
Madhuri ma'am.
Okay. Any other guesses?
Ramya Gowda ma'am.
Meenakshi
Okay,
ma'am.
let's see. Not me
Meenakshi
too, I
ma'am.
guess. Let's see.
No, it's Meenakshi ma'am.
Oh, Meenakshi ma'am.
Okay, that's our Meenakshi ma'am. Next, our dear teacher. Who is this? Oh,
This is
Oh, that was so quick.
No doubt.
Mehfung ma'am. Here comes our next.
Padma ma'am.
Here comes our Padma ma'am. Okay, so next we have here small, tiny, sweet face. Who's that?
Bhavani ma'am or
Okay,
Sukanya ma'am.
let's see.
Bhavani ma'am.
Yes, Bhavani ma'am.
Again, one more tech savvy Bhavani ma'am. Okay. Who's this? Smiling and laughing. Very happy.
Priyanka Chugani ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Here comes
Right
Priyanka
guess.
ma'am. Okay, who's this? All decorative, all ready for dance, get up.
Priyanka Gupta ma'am. I think.
Okay.
Is it Priyanka?
This is Rajni ma'am.
Totally different.
Who's this?
Gauri ma'am.
Any more guesses?
It's Gauri ma'am.
Gauri ma'am.
Okay, it's our Gauri ma'am. Here comes our next dear teacher. Who is this all set with her scooter and motor car going?
This is a cute one, okay? With the dance costume and all.
Rashmi ma'am.
Oh,
Rashmi Monica ma'am.
Here comes Rashmi ma'am. Here comes our next.
Ramya ma'am.
That was a quick guess. Let's go to next.
Oh, you showed me already ma'am.
Showed the answer.
We already have the
Maybe the-
answer here.
Maybe the animation did not work here.
It's our Ramya Gowda ma'am. Sanchali ma'am. Let's see who's this. More guesses to come.
Mamta ma'am.
Pick out one.
No, it's not me.
Could you show Sanchali ma'am's pic again, please? Oh, that's so cute.
Same only.
I know.
Okay. So any guesses for this picture?
Shweta ma'am.
Shweta Agarwal ma'am.
Shweta
Agarwal.
Shweta Trivedi.
That's Shweta Trivedi ma'am.
Shweta Trivedi ma'am.
But Archana ma'am, you didn't say which one we have to choose. There are 3 kids there.
Correct.
I told out of that, please choose one. Okay, here we come. Our next dear teacher. Who is this?
Archana ma'am.
Archana ma'am.
It's you only ma'am. Archana ma'am.
You only, ma'am.
Yes, it's Archana.
Any more guesses?
It's Archana ma'am.
It's you only.
Oh,
Okay, this is Ashweta ma'am. Who's this?
I know this.
Who would like to guess? Go ahead.
Soumya ma'am.
Soumya ma'am.
Soumya ma'am.
Soumya ma'am.
Richa ma'am is still thinking, who is this? Okay.
Eyes, the eyes, the kajal and all.
Yeah.
Soumya
This is
ma'am.
our Soumya ma'am. Let's go to our next dear teacher.
Oh,
It's already there with her current childhood
Not
picture.
fair, Archana ma'am.
Okay, with our Mamta ma'am. Who's this?
Sujata
Sujata ma'am.
Sujata ma'am. Here comes
Ma'am,
Sujata
yes.
ma'am.
Sujitra ma'am.
Suchitra ma'am. Here
Susan
we have
Susan ma'am.
Susan ma'am.
Susan ma'am.
Susan ma'am. Susan ma'am. Susan ma'am. Who is this?
Rashmi
Rashmi
Chaudhary.
Chaudhary ma'am.
Rashmi Chaudhary.
Rashmi Chaudhary.
Chaudhary ma'am.
That was a very quick guess, Rashmi Chaudhary ma'am. Oh, who is
Shweta ma'am.
Shweta
Agarwal
ma'am?
Meenakshi Naidu ma'am.
No,
No, Meenakshi.
the previous slide. Could you show Archana ma'am the previous slide, please? Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Any
this is
guesses?
not an easy guess. Okay, find out.
Seema Singh ma'am, I think.
No.
It's Namita ma'am.
No.
Is it Namita ma'am?
Richa Taneja.
No.
Any more? Chaitra ma'am.
Sudeshna ma'am.
Chaitra ma'am.
Yes.
Sudeshna ma'am.
Sudeshna.
Here comes the answer. It's our Sudeshna ma'am.
I think good.
Here's our next dear teacher, all draped in sari. Who's that?
Sukanya ma'am.
No.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Nidita ma'am.
Okay, so we are done, is it?
Thank you, teachers.
Thank you so much, Archana ma'am, for for helping us to guess our teachers. It was not easy, but few of them were easy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
And
you.
so thank you to dear teachers, and it was pleasure for all of us to see the childhood pictures that reminds that we all are still kid at heart, and really nice to have you all. Thank you.
Were you able to guess your teachers from those pictures? Hope you enjoyed it. Next in line, we have a talk show by teachers which will give you a glimpse of their school days and childhood days.
Susan ma'am, you were sharing some, great memories of your childhood regarding your, with your library stuff and your liking for books, your liking for speech. Could you throw some light on that so that, our other teachers also can know about it?
Yes, ma'am. I mean, when I was a student, when I was a child, my favorite thing to do was reading books. I used to read a lot of books but unfortunately, at one point in time, when I was in grade 8, I was not allowed to enter the library because one of my teachers found me reading a book during class.
Oh.
So yeah.
Did you do that actually?
Yes, and it was heartbreaking that I couldn't read the books, my favorite books during that period of time. But then it was a good thing because later on I focused on classes, and the year after they allowed me to borrow books too.
Oh, okay, that's a sad thing. You couldn't enter the library for a year?
Yes, the last part of grade 8.
Okay. Oh, that was too tough for a person, who likes reading. When you read in the class, probably they had to take some action, but
Yes.
not a good one though.
Yes, actually somebody in the class complained about it.
Someone was jealous as well.
Yes.
Okay. So Mamta ma'am, you were also sharing, some of your memories at school.
Actually, mine is the mischievous one, so I don't want to share right now. Let others speak, then I will say.
Okay. For later, reserved for later. Chetna ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It's like I cannot forget that moment, but I was very scared of going on stage and recite the poem and all. Though I am ready with my poem and all. So till 6th grade, no one correct me or nobody support me that yes, you can do this, Chetna. Please come on the stage. I'll be there here. If you are going wrong or if you are doing some mistake, I'll be there to correct you. Then when I was in the 6th grade, Maya ma'am, she was my favorite teacher. Okay, she told, no, today we'll start with the Chetna. Okay, if it is half poem, also fine, no problem. And my leg was shivering, and I thought I cannot do that. Almost tears are in my eyes. And she came to my place. She took me to the stage, and I started singing that poem. And I could complete entire poem without any fear. And then from that day, I'm confident. Yeah, yes, I can. Yeah. And when I see now my student without any fear or with so much of confidence, they sing a poem, I really feel so happy for them.
Great.
So this is the great experience, and I can never forget this.
How nice. Yeah. So maybe that could be the one small step for you to come out as a language teacher. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. And I have something to share which is very similar to what Susan ma'am shared. I was an avid reader. Okay. So what I used to do was after school hours, the school where I studied, we were allowed to use the library, for an hour. So I used to stay back. I used to read in the library, and I also used to take books home. How Susan ma'am said, from grade 8 onwards, you have that craze to read books and all. That's one of my sweetest memory which I have. I used to stay back in the library, and librarian also, he was quite friendly with me, and he used to suggest me books what I can read. So those were all some nice memories which I had at school. Rashmi ma'am, you wanted to share something.
Yes, Dr. Ma'am. Yeah, I would like to say some one of my activity that was a quite mischievous one, and definitely our children are going to love. So what I will tell, that time I was in grade 7 or 8. So I was an obedient and disciplined student. I used to finish my work in time. But unfortunately, one such day I couldn't finish my assignment, and I was thinking, what to do? I have to go to school today. Let me miss my bus. That was something I was hoping for, and when I was going to the school, on my way I was just dragging so that I missed my bus finally. But unfortunately, I reached there on time, and I kept asking uncles near around, "Uncle, what's the time? What's the time?" Then fortunately, it was a fortunate moment that time I felt the bus didn't come that day, and I was so happy, so glad. So that was, now I remember that something makes me happy.
Thank you, Rashmi ma'am. Shweta ma'am, you wanted to share something.
Yes, so we have heard about teachers who is an avid reader and a good orator. Now, I would like to share my memory. I was, I used to get extra cautious during examination time. So I need to finish my paper on time and everything. So there was one term exam going on, and my principal was also there on ground. She was just keeping an eye and just checking randomly. Then she was there. She patted my back. Hey, you. I then thought, okay, so today is the one. I just, caught her hand very hard and turned back, and then she was all smiles, flashing a big smile at me, and then I was shaken to the core. I said, oh my God. I said, sorry, ma'am. She calmed me down. Okay, sit down, no worries. So that was something, that is really something, funny and hilarious. The moment today also I recall it, it sends a smile on my face. So that is something
you
which
the principal's hand and you thought
yes. I thought, okay, I gotten someone who is trying to peep through my paper or something like that.
How funny. Okay. But Priya ma'am, is one of your those childhood memories which you would like to share with us?
ಹಾಂ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ನಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ತುಂಬ ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾಮು ಹೀಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಭಯದಿಂದ ಗಿವ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಆಗೋಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಆಗ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಆಗೋಲ್ವೋ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಫನ್ನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ವಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ, ಗೇಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನ್ ಆಗೋದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಶಾಕ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಂದರೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಏನೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಗಿವ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಮೊದಲು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೂರಬಾರ್ದು, ಯಾವುದೇ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು.
Good. So, exploring yourself in sports. That was something which was new. Thank you, Priya ma'am, for sharing that memory of yours. Okay, we have Babita ma'am who hasn't spoken anything yet.
Yes, ma'am. Since all are sharing some of their school best memory, I was in grade 6. So a little funny, and we never used to get time for free play. So we friends used to plan to play during lunch break. So what we used to do is just before the lunch break, previous period, we used to all plan to finish our lunch. So we would bend our head down and quietly try to finish our lunch. And as soon as we would open our tiffin boxes, nice flavor of food used to come out. And our teacher used to catch us and asked, who's the tiffin boxes? Who has opened the tiffin box? Let me know. Who's that? Not concentrating in class, not paying attention and eating food, let me know. And quickly we would close the tiffin boxes and keep it inside the desk. So then we used to have food in our mouth and just nod our heads for all the answers. But one day I was caught, and then sir told Babita, stand up, and I stood up. And I was not able to open my mouth, and he said, now you come near. And I was almost in tears, but I was not crying, and I was feeling like laughing inside, but I was thinking, now I'm caught, what to be done, what to do. So then Sir understood from my facial expression, and sir said, okay, go back to your place. I will speak to you in the break time, lunch break. Once the bell rings, I will come back to you. I went back to my place and I was ready to go out to play. But that day I was so scared. Oh, now sir is going to talk to me separately. I don't know how he's going to, what punishment I'm going to get. Then sir came and told, please open your tiffin box. Did you finish your food? No, open your box. Let me see, what did you bring today? Then I opened my box and sir said, wow, so nice mango pickle. Can I have a piece, please? I was surprised and shocked that sir liked my food, and he asked me a piece of pickle, and he made so light, and he did not punish me, but he told, no eating during the period. As soon as bell rings, eat quickly and then go out to play. And from that day, sir knew my name, and sir started calling me, oh, this girl, pickle girl. He started calling me pickle girl. But he loved me so much. He was very caring.
Thank you, Babita ma'am. Thank you for sharing such a wonderful memory. But yeah, I think we all will be careful, whenever we want to have food before lunch break. Yeah. Okay, I think it's time for Mamta ma'am now.
Actually, before I share, please be careful when I share this. Because you may be thinking that I'm not mischievous, but I'm very mischievous. One day what happened, it was, I think I was in grade 6. I was playing in the field and I saw a huge puddle and I was trying to cross in one jump only. So after 2-3 trials, I could do it. But what happened, I slipped and I fell on my hand only. So I fractured my hand. I was not able to stand. One of the higher class, grade 9 or grade 10, I didn't know that which class that boy was. When he lifted me, I went to my teacher, and in that fear of, okay, sir will scold me, I told, he pushed me. So it was very embarrassing for him, and he was trying to say to sir, no, I didn't do it. I just saved her from that incident, and I blamed him, and sir scolded him. And when I came home, I realized I did a mistake. I should not have done this. Then the next day I went to sir and I told sir, he didn't do this. It was my mistake. I was trying to jump, which I could not, and I fell, and all this happened.
So at that age, you're a little scared that you might get caught for something. But...
Yes.
Okay, nice. Happens. Lot of games period memories. Teachers are sharing. Even mine is to get hurt, knee, elbow, and all. And before it could heal, again I would fall and get hurt in the same place. So those scars and all, these are all beautiful memories of our childhood. Thank you, teachers, for sharing your beautiful memories here. But definitely, I would like to ask you one question. In the whole school, probably, which was the best place for you? The best room or the best place at school? School is a huge campus. So which was your...
the place where teachers didn't watch us, which was when we played in the playground, and we had a huge playground. So we would just gobble the food as fast as we could and, step out to play. So yeah, that was the most favorite place for me.
And for me too, the playground was the best place. Under the trees, we used to sit and play, and free play. We play hopscotch and kabaddi. So I think the playground and with our friends, I think that was the best time and best place for me.
Nice to hear. Nice to hear from you all. Being a part of sports day, in the march past, I know in the beginning I used to be pathetic in march past. I used to swing my arms with the same leg that I used to keep my foot in the front. It was really difficult for me to take the left leg and the right arm. So I really had to practice a lot to come with that. So those were all fun memories for me. Thank you, teachers, for sharing your experience and your childhood memories. It was nice to hear some of the naughty stuff, some of the serious stuff.
By now, you know that your teachers were not so different from you as children, isn't it? I hope you all enjoyed the little secrets of your teachers. Children, thank you for the smiles that you bring us and the cute little things which you come up with every day, making each day a beautiful and a memorable one. Here's a small token of love for all of you from your teachers. Happy Children's Day to all of you.
Happy Children's Day, dear students. It's a great honor to propose the vote of thanks for an important event of the academic year. I take this opportunity to thank our respected principal, dean, coordinators, HODs, teachers, and our technical team who enthusiastically planned and participated to make this Children's Day a memorable one. Dear students, wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. Thank you.